So the topic name is Rising Steps of Computer. First of all, you should know about what is computer. I know that you had already studied in previous class, but you have to revise it. So what is computer? A computer is an electronic device which takes input, performs calculation and gives the desired output. You know that first computer is an electronic device. It takes input from input device. It performs calculation by process and it gives desired output by output devices. You know all about input devices and output devices and hardwares and softwares. Then what are the functions of computer? First function is it accepts the input from any hardware device. What computer do? Computer first accepts the input from hardware devices like keyboard, mouse. These all are input devices. Computer takes input from these devices and then it performs the calculation and necessary operations. Then process part will be required. Process part is calculation. Then it generates the output as per the requirement. It generates output from output devices.
Abacus was first device invented for calculation. The invention of abacus took place in China. It is used for simple calculation of addition, subtraction and division, and it consists of wooden frame with strings containing beads for counting.
Pascal's calculator. It was the first mechanical calculator invented by French mathematician Blaise Pascal. It was also known as Pascaline. It was used to add and subtract the numbers in a direct way. This invention was based upon the carry mechanism. Leibniz calculator invented by German philosopher Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz. It was capable of finding square roots apart from addition and subtraction. ENIAC was the first discovered general purpose computer designed for US Army. It worked with the help of thousands of vacuum tubes. UNIVAC stands for Universal Automatic Computer 1. It was the first computer that handles both numeric as well as text data, and it was also the first commercial computer. Important people associated with evolution of computer. Charles Babbage, he is known as father of computer. He invented the first mechanical computer device. He developed two working models, difference engine and analytical engine. Augusta Ada Lovelace, she was the world's first lady programmer who introduced the binary system of data storage instead of decimal number system. George Boole, he was considered as the father of digital electronics. He invented the Boolean logic which gives 1 for positive number and 0 for negative number. Hermann Hollerith, he was the inventor of tabulating machine. The machine was used to read the data, process it and deliver the output. The punch cards were used for input. Next one is John von Neumann. John von Neumann gave the idea of stored programs and hence computer memory was developed. In previous one, we only have the process to give the input, process the data and output. But John von Neumann gave the idea to store the program and hence computer memory was developed. By John von Neumann, the data as well as instructions started being stored. Now we can store our data in our device, in our system. John von Neumann gave the idea to store our programs. John von Neumann built the ADVAC which used punch cards to store programs, which stores our program John 1 built the ADVAC. ADVAC is a device, a machine you can say that, which used punch cards. Punch cards are used for input method. We can give our input through punch cards as we had already learned previous. And these are used to store our program. ADVAC used to store our programs. Next one is Howard Aiken. Who was he? Howard Aiken was an engineer in IBM company. His invention was first automatic controlled computer, which is known as Mark I. Mark I is a first automatic controlled computer. Who developed this? Howard Aiken developed this. First generation, second generation and fourth generation. In first generation, you all know that vacuum tubes were used as internal component. Second generation, transistors were used as internal component. In fourth generation, microprocessors were used as internal components. The sizes of computer were very huge, called mainframe. The sizes of computer were smaller than first generation and were called as mini computer. In fourth generation, the sizes of computer were smaller than second and third generation and were called supercomputer. First generation were very slow speed computers. Second generation were 10 times faster than first generation computer. Fourth generation's speed is measured beyond picoseconds and MIPS, millions of instructions per second. First generation main memory was in the form of magnetic drums. Second generation main memory was in the form of RAM and ROM. Fourth generation, the semiconductor memory is replaced by magnetic core memory. Hope you all understand from this table. Difference between third generation and fourth generation. As you know that third generation were smaller in size, called mini computer. Fourth generation were small in size, called microcomputer. Third generation could perform calculation in nanoseconds. Fourth generation could perform millions of calculation in per second. Third generation main memory was increased in the form of PROM and DRAM. In fourth generation were increased in the form of EPROM and SRAM. Fifth generation computer. This generation is based on artificial intelligence. This generation is based on ultra-scale, large-scale integration technology, resulting in the production of microprocessor chips having 10 million electronic components. माइक्रोप्रोसेसर चिप्स होने के कारण ये 10 मिलियंस इंस्ट्रक्शंस को एक साथ कंटेन कर सकता है एंड आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इसमें यूज़ होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स आर डेस्कटॉप, लैपटॉप and notebook. Characteristics of computer. Characteristics of computer. First is automatic. Most of its algorithm is automatic. You know that computer performs automatic. Speed. Computer has a higher speed than compared to humans. It performs millions of instructions in per second. Next is accuracy. Computer can calculate accurately. Computer gives you always accurate result. Diligence. Computer can perform millions of tasks or calculations with some consistency and accuracy. It doesn't feel any fatigue or lack of concentration. Versatility. It refers to the compatibility of a computer to perform different kinds of work with same accuracy and efficiency. उसी सेम एफिशिएंसी के साथ वो अपना वर्क करता जाता है, उसमें इतनी कैपेबिलिटी है. इसका मतलब होता है वर्सेटैलिटी. नो फीलिंग. कंप्यूटर हैव नो फीलिंग. इट इज़ अ मशीन. कंप्यूटर कैन नॉट मेजर right or wrong. Yes, this is negative fact, but this is also common characteristics of computer.